Yeah, welcome back to my Mastering Microsoft Word series. I am Mr. Lutfur Rahman, and today we have got an exciting tutorial for all the beginners out there. We are diving into the insert menu and specifically focusing on how to insert shapes. So, buckle up and let's get creative with part 6 of our series. Before we dive in, make sure you have got Microsoft Word open and ready to roll. Now let's jump straight into the insert menu and explore the wonderful world of shapes. Dear viewers, now I am in the desktop screen. So let's get started by opening our Microsoft Word. Now I will open Microsoft Word. This is the Microsoft Word you can see on the screen as well. So now what topic we will discuss today? Yes, under the home menu, not home menu, just look at the top of this Microsoft Word interface, and there are some main menu here in the top: file, home, insert. Just click insert, then go to the shapes menu. This is the shapes menu we can see here. Today I will discuss about the shapes, how to enter shapes, how to add shapes especially to our documents. So let's get started. If you click the drop down menu here, you can see here this is the drop down menu icon as well. So if you click this drop down menu, then you can see here there are plenty of shapes here. You can use all the shapes according to your demand or necessity. So just I will add one or two, as for example, if I add this shapes, I like these shapes actually. This, yes, this is the shapes. This is the fantastic shapes here. You can use. This is the shapes, but how can you design it? Very easy and simple. Just under the insert menu, we will add this beautiful shapes. This is the shapes format. If you customize your shapes, then go to the shape format. This is the shape format. Click. At first, under the insert menu, you have to add shapes by clicking this drop down menu as well. There are plenty of shapes here you can use as your demand, as your necessary, as your necessity, as per your wish, according to your wish as well. So now I will add these shapes by clicking my favorite shapes. This is my favorite shape. If I drag this, then again another shapes will be added here. So how can you design, how can you customize? Just this is the shape format. You have to go to the shape format. This is the shape format. Just click the shape format, then you can customize it, you can design it, you can redesign it. But how you can customize? You can change this color as well. This is the color, this is the color, and you can change color by another way. But what is the way? Just go to the shape fill here. You can see here shape fill. Just click the drop down menu, then plenty of colors here, plenty of colors. You can use more fill colors here. Just if you click there are more fill colors will be shown here. Then again I will go to the shape fill, and if I click this, if you don't want to add any color, then go to the no fill. This is the no fill. Now there is no color here. There is no color here. You can easily add text into this shapes, but how? Just you have to go to the insert, then go to the text box. You have to use text box here. Now go to the text box, and then if you click to the text box, then there are plenty of options here. Just you have to click the draw text box. You have to click, just you have to draw a text box here, then copy this headline. Yes, just paste it. You can center it. Yes, you can increase the font size by clicking this small and small a and big capital A and large A and small a. This is the large A. It means the font will be increased. Very fine. You can click the bold icon here. Yes, then the line now into two lines, but I have to make this headline into one line. Yes, one line. Now you can drag it. You can drag it into the box here, but there are box here. But how can you remove this box? Just click the box, then click the right button of your mouse, go to the format shape, then line, then click the no line. Wow, there is no line here. There is no line here now. There is no line now and line here now. But if you want to design this shape more, then go to the shape format. Go to the shape format, then shape outline. You can design these shapes according to your wish. Just go to the shape outline. The outline will be designed according to your choiceable color here. If I choose this black color, then shape effect, you can add effect here. You can add effect by using the shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges. Just now I will add a shadow here. This is the shadow. Fantastic. The shapes has been designed or well organized now. This headline is now look very fantastic. So this is the way you can add a specific type of shapes according to your demand by going to the insert menu, then go to the shapes. Then there are plenty of shapes here. You can use these shapes according to your own demand. So this is the way how can you add your shapes into your documents, and how can you design these shapes, customize these shapes by following this particular kind of steps that I have shown you a few minutes ago. I hope this tutorial will help you to add your shapes into the Microsoft Word. So no more today. I hope that's enough for you to make you understand how to add shapes into your Microsoft Word document as well. So I am requesting you to watch the next Microsoft Word tutorial that will come within a few days. Till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.